Okay, so now let's talk about making building blocks. So I'm going to create a new folder by clicking this button right here, folder actions, and let's just call this building. And I'm going to make a whole set of blocks. So that'll include slabs, stairs, we can make pillars, we can make fences, we can do anything. So let's go to block, and let's call this mud brick. I think mud brick was added into the most recent update of Minecraft, but you know what? This is my game, and I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to pretend it's original. Let's do something like this. See what that looks like. Pop it once, pop it twice, pop it thrice. Looks good to me. And we'll do a kind of different color, maybe something greenish. Why not? They're kind of using like this weird dark green stuff for mortar. And we'll make that size 1. Let's just get this all to look green. That kind of creates an interesting texture. Okay, that looks good enough to me. Kind of gross, but I like it. Let's go to save this texture. It's a block. We like that. And we'll call this mud brick texture. Now with this one texture, we're going to do a whole lot. So we can go into mud brick, left overlay, select that, and everything here will be that. And this will just be a mud brick block. So we don't want to do anything here other than normal rotation, transparency none, tint none. It all seems good. I think ground would make sense, but I'm going to do stone just because they're dried. You know, it wouldn't be soft. It's not like actual mud. It's probably been fired or something, or at least dried. But we can make it a little less hard because it is mud brick. Maybe less resistance too. We can talk about those later and stuff, but they're pretty simple. Slipperiness makes it like ice. Jump factor makes you jump better. Speed factor makes you faster on it. So those could be really good if you're making like a fancy structure or something where you want people to do a little parkour. And this all should be good. I can't imagine there's a... Oh, the only thing is I want to make this destructible by tool able to destroy it should be pickaxe. And 0 is wood. Yes, wood should be able to destroy it. There we go. And nothing else we need to do here. So now, we have just created mud brick. And really easily, we can duplicate this, right-click, duplicate mod element, and I'm going to make mud brick stairs. Cool. And let's open it up. First thing I want to do is actually go to properties and make sure I name it mud brick stairs in game, or else it will just be named mud brick. Now I have mud brick stairs. And before I save mod element, let's go back to visual. And here, this is really cool. It's saved by duplicating it. That saved all the little properties and stuff I changed, so I don't need to go back and change it again. And I can go back to visual and I can say this is stairs. And there we go. It will still use the same texture. Save mod element. Boom. Duplicate. Mud brick slab. Duplicate. And we can change this to slab properties mud brick slab. Save mod element. Duplicate again. Mud brick wall. and go and click wall. And something that's kind of fun about this is that you can make leaves, trapdoors, panes, so that'll be like how both iron bars and just glass panes work. Door, you can make doors, which is cool. Fence gates, which is nice. I think those are actually both new. I think before there was just fences and stuff. I don't know if they had trapdoors and doors yet, but maybe they did. End rod, I don't know what those do, but I've seen them. Pressure plates, buttons, so you can really make them anything. So maybe I'll do a pressure plate or something next. But I can make a wall. And how about with this one? I'm actually going to do something fun. We're going to make it climbable. So to do that, and I've never had anybody ask to do this before, but I think it's quite fun, so it might come up. We can go, and maybe it's in advanced properties. Does block act like ladder? And notice here, block must not be full for this to work. So that's why the wall works, is a mud brick wall will just be like they'll make pillars and stuff if you put them right on top of each other, and then maybe you'll be like Prince of Persia climbing up pillars. So that will be sick. And we can leave the rest. Let's double check I named it. Mud brick, oops, it's still named mud brick slab. So let's make that mud brick wall. So now we have a whole bunch of mud brick stuff, and I don't want to duplicate that one because that one already said the other thing, but let's duplicate this and we'll make a mud brick. Was it not a pressure plate? Duplicate pressure plate, and let's go to properties, pressure plate. Boom. Save mod element, and now we can build with all of these items in the game. Okay, well, that should be it for this video. I think next time we'll talk about doing block procedures.